Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to set up reminders and notification in Timetree. So in that case, you have to first of all open up or log in into your Timetree account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. First thing, you need to go ahead and access the particular calendar for which you wish to set up a notification and reminder. So click the image icon from the top left hand side and go ahead and select the camera and go ahead and select the calendar. When you select that, you need to go to the gear icon from the bottom right hand side corner. While you're on this page, you can see this option as receive. Make sure that you toggle the button and it turns green, and this indicates that you've successfully enabled notification. And you can also go ahead and select customize notification. When you do that, you can go ahead and customize this as well, and accordingly you've set reminders and set up notification in Timetree. If you wish to do it for a specific event, then you can just go ahead and long press on the following event and then go ahead and press the create new button, and after that you can go ahead and select this reminder as all day, or you can just go ahead and select the date and all that. And when you do that, you can go ahead and press the confirm button. Then under it, you can just go ahead and select set an event reminder, and then you can go to the customize date and all that. And that's how you can set up reminders and notification in Timetree. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.